ignition.
Alright, welcome to my unbox video for the iPhone 11, the white 64 gigabyte, as you can see. And I'm basically going to unwrap this. Got my kids in the background, so this is actually a video called Unwrapping and Unboxing My iPhone with Kids in the background. Is it possible? Okay, let's take this off. And boom. What do we got here? We got the iPhone. Beautiful.
A beautiful chicken nugget iPhone.
So there is the iPhone. And then from here in the box you also get the manual and the hello and the stickers, and you even get a little key thing, which I think, is this new? So you can be able to take your SIM card out. So anyway, we don't need those. You get the beautiful 5-watt adapter. You know, the one that they've been given for years and years. Lame. And then you get the headphones, which these are the headphones with lightning adapter. And then you get your charging cable. So this is everything that you get in the box with the iPhone 11. And I'm gonna go give this to my wife so she can enjoy it. Thanks for watching.